it was very interesting for me to sit at a round table with other peers and CIOs who were from different industries. You know, some of them are public sector employees, some of them are health care providers, etc. And it gives me a different perspective of different types of organizations and the challenges they're facing. Another thing that I found really interesting was how we're all struggling with the same thing. And that thing is really nothing to do with technology whatsoever. And it's the fact that, you know, this industry's businesses are being disrupted and are significantly changing because of technological innovation and regulatory relaxation, so to say, that's happening. And that's forcing IT organizations to change and change their culture and change their relationship with the business and the end users, for the IT organization to get ahead and not be behind the eight ball, so to say, and have these shadow IT organizations be created in different parts of the organization. It's important for IT to first reflect on the values it wants to have and transform itself. And that means, you know, being collaborative, being trusting, and adopting an approach that is simple, business-centric, service-centric. And when IT does that, it can then sit at the ideation table with the business, and it can provide simple solutions to meet their needs. And if it means not doing anything and getting out of the way, so be it. Or if it means influencing the business to outsource the solution, so be it. Or if it means we may have to build it in-house, that's also an option, but at the last source. So they have to be researchers, leaders, as well as plugged into the industry as well, and partners with the business. So sit at the table during the idea sessions, not after the fact when they've decided what they want to do, and there observe and provide input when necessary of how to facilitate what they want to do. And that way you can be ahead of it and be able to bring the best solution for the organization to the table. And if that means sometimes doing things in an untraditional way or giving up control or not doing it at all, that's perfect. Simplicity should be the value that you adopt, not complexity. So if it means you find a third party and they do everything, and that's really good and simple, great.